Hey guys, it is April 3rd, so it is new day, new week, new month, new everything. So we start from scratch almost. Anyway, so I can't believe it is April already. The time is flying, isn't it? It seems like it was yesterday when we picked up this car from Kit. It was October 2017, now it is April 2018. It's what? November, December, so almost 6 months. Wow. So, like I said in my previous video, I changed the plan a little bit. I was gonna clean up the door jambs. I was gonna prime the inside of the car after that, but actually now I figured that now that I see that I keep finding more and more rusty holes here and there, I think it would be a good idea to go on hunt and find all of these spots, like chase them and find them all and fix them, and once and forever we can say this is the welding is done. So that's my plan now. I'm gonna go and strip all the paint from all over the little corners, little tight spots, everywhere that I can find rust, and especially here I think around this wheel, this fender, which I didn't change, so I changed the bottom of this fender, but this I didn't change, so maybe there's something there, I don't know, but when I go with the wire well there, I'm gonna figure it out eventually. So that's the plan, let's go do it. Alright, so I'm gonna start from here. I'm gonna clean this edge here around, and then maybe I'm gonna go down here because I'm curious about this area. I'm gonna use again my multifunctional tool. I'm gonna switch it to wire wheel mode, and we're gonna go from there. No heat gun. Wire wheel mode. Not heat gun, wire wheel mode. What? Why is it not working? Oh, it says here something. Oh, warning. Works as multifunctional tool only on April Fool's Day, and as a heat gun all the rest of the days through the year. No way. Oh, that's such a disappointment. Oh my god. So we're back to our regular tools, unfortunately. Alright guys, so this is what I've been doing the last hour or so. I cleaned here under this lip, I cleaned under that lip, and basically all tight spots. Well, not really, because I still have to clean here, for example. I still have little corners like this to do, but mainly all the lips and flanges and stuff like that are cleaned, and I'm happy to report there's no rust, which is good. One area that I was concerned about is this area here. If there was rust somewhere, I know it was going to be here, because on the other side, if you remember this part, I had to replace a panel like that. On this side I didn't touch it, and it is nice and solid. So I was afraid a little bit that there was gonna be some surprise here, but it is nice and solid. So this fender also, all the edges, everything, all tight spots are cleaned. So next I'm gonna come with the paint stripping disc, and I'm gonna clean the rest. But if you noticed here, I'm leaving only spots that are flat, so I can come with that wheel. And even here I cleaned here, but I left this. If there was rust somewhere, it would be here too, or here where there's holes, screw holes and stuff like that, but everything is perfect. The arch, cleaned also the arch. Let me stand up. I cleaned also the wheel arch, and it's nice and solid everywhere. So I think that's how I'm gonna go all around the car, and I'm gonna clean all the edges where I can only reach with the wire wheel. And then I'm gonna come back and use that other one, which is, let me show it to you. So this is what I'm talking about. I'm gonna come back with this one after, and I'm gonna clean the rest, but this can reach only where it is flat. If I put it in the corner, it's gonna get destroyed right away. So that's why I'm gonna go everywhere with the wire wheel. In the little corners, I'll make sure that there's no rust anywhere. If there is, I'm gonna weld it, clean it up, and then we're gonna go with this and strip the rest of the paint. So that's gonna be it for today. Again, probably the video is not gonna end here, so for you it's gonna be like 2 minutes, but I'm tired for tonight and I'm gonna go home. So bye for now. Alright guys, so it's another day here, another day in paradise. And I'm trying to clean here this channel, the rain channel or whatever it is called. And I got all these little brushes to reach inside, but honestly it's not that easy because they still don't go all the way to the bottom. And even with this one, when it turns, it opens a lot and it reaches down there, but not all the way. So I'm also using this little pad. So I'm trying even with this, but still I'm able to clean this wall all the way down, but inside there at the bottom there's still some more. So yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out a way how to do that, but let me finish cleaning because here I still have a little bit more to do. And once I clean there, I'm gonna have to find a way to clean also the bottom. Maybe this way you will see better. So now you will see what I'm talking about. Right, so you see it cleaned this wall, but in this inside I still see paint, and I want to get rid of that too. And I'll do everything possible. Let me try with this. I think that's good enough. The thing is, this flies like crazy. I can't. I need to keep the RPMs low so it doesn't fly, because the wires just disappear. It's actually not that bad. There's a little bit more in the corner, but I'm not worried about that. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep going all the way this way, and that's good enough for me. And then we'll see what we're gonna do, probably this channel here. all the way up here, and we're gonna leave the rest for when we remove the hatch. Ta-dum! Somebody stop me! Well, I don't know what happened, guys. I just got carried on and stripped the whole panel. So yeah, I was planning to do only the edges, the tight corners and stuff, but you know, I can't just keep going forward with leaving big spots, and I decided to clean everything. So another change in the plan maybe, or at least for now. I'm gonna keep stripping the paint everywhere I can, but when I move to a new area, I need to have the previous area all cleaned up. I just can't leave it halfway. So I think I'm gonna go on the roof now, and then the seals and the rear valves and the other seal. At least that's the plan for now, but you see the plans change every 2 minutes, so. Let's take a little break. That was half an hour, this part of the roof. Not bad, huh? Well, we missed some spots, but otherwise, beautiful. Alright, so that's gonna be it for today. Oh, you hear that? Wow, sounds nice. Sounds like a musical instrument without the paint. It's gonna be even better musical instrument when I hear her voice, like wow wow. Anyway, so that's gonna be it for today, guys. Again, not very exciting video, but what can we do? We have to do sometimes these kinds of jobs, or these kinds of jobs, or these kinds of projects that we don't really like, or not that we don't like it, but it's boring because it's repetitive and it's just all the time the same thing. Anyways, I'm rambling, so I just want to show you a quick update of where I am, what I'm doing, and hopefully soon we're gonna be into some more interesting jobs, and I'm gonna be able to entertain you better. For now, we gotta do what we gotta do. So thanks for watching again, and for subscribing, and for commenting, and for everything that you guys do for me. I'm really thankful. Thank you so much. See you later. Bye.